1 plus 2 gives us 3. And 33 times 3 equals 99. Here we have 99 divided by this. So 99 divided by 99, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here, we have 33 and these parentheses. In mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So here we have a multiplication. So in this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parentheses. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 1 plus 2, which equals 3. So we have 99 divided by 33 and divided by 3. Excuse me, here we have multiplication. 33 times 3. Okay, now we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, 99 divided by 33, which equals 3. So 3 times 3, which equals 9. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 9.